Hey planners, it's Tay of Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning my September dashboard, and on these spreads, I use them to keep track of my orders as well as the kits that I'm using for the month. And so I'm using a beautiful autumn themed deco sheet from the Sweet Planner, and I love the fact that we are in September now because for my monthly and my dashboards for September, October, and November, they're always fall themed, and I get to pull out all of those fun fall themed sticker kits and things to use. And so I started off by drawing in the grid, which is where I'll be tracking my orders for the month, and I just use a pen and a ruler to create my own little grid section there to give me a place to write everything down. And then at the bottom of that, I decided to embellish it with some beautiful colorful florals from the deco sheet, and then I added in some foiled florals, or I guess like eucalyptus leaves, to embellish that and give it a nice pop of foil behind the colorful florals. And then these hanging florals that are inside of what looks like lamp bulbs are from Sadie Stickers as well. And also the washi trim that I'm using to line the order tracker, which I've gotten into doing lately, because even though I just draw it on with a pen and a ruler, I feel like if I take a washi trim and sort of outline it with the foiled washi trim, it makes my order tracker look a lot more put together, and it's something I really enjoy. The September script is from Paper Trail Plans. The order tracker script is custom from Panda Bird Design, and I've just layered that over a scallop circle from Paper Trail Plans and added in some of the florals from the deco sheet. And then I'm creating another little floral cluster utilizing the deco sheet and that eucalyptus leaf from Sadie Stickers up at the top. And then I'll just place my order tracker label at the top there. So I've marked out each of the sections of this page so that we know the top is for tracking orders and the bottom is for keeping track of my kits. Moving down to the bottom, I put down that hanging backpack, which was the cutest clip art that came on this deco sheet. I thought it was so adorable, and I love that it sort of mimicked what was happening with the hanging florals on the other side, and I thought it gave it a lot of visual balance and looked really beautiful. Underneath there, I'm using some of the washi strips that came with the kit and just lined the bottom of the page, then added in some foiled florals from the Pretty Pink Co. And then I'm just going to take that same trim that I used for the order tracker section, and because there was a gap of space between those florals and then that colorful washi trim, and I just wanted that to all come together well. And then I play box Tetris as I do every month, trying to figure out how I want this box placement to go. And it's always about just trying to get that placement right, and so I move those around over and over and over until it finally ends up in a place that makes sense to me. And so I am using a combination of circles from the Gathered Layered collection from Panda Bird Designs, as well as just some square boxes, and I'm trying to think of where those colorful pink boxes came from, and at the moment I cannot remember. There might have been leftovers from a kit that I had used previously. And then the Fashion Girl came from the dashboard kit, added in some more florals around the boxes to help tie in the entire spread, and I love how that brings the whole thing together. Moving back up to the top of the page, what I wish I had done was put down this garland when I first got started, before I started adding any other deco up there, but I was like, that's okay, we're gonna add in this garland strand anyways, and then I'm going to add really tiny florals at the ends of it to help mesh it into the spread, and we'll enjoy the garland dangling in the center. And I love that touch up there. I really thought it added something to the top of the spread in that space that really pulled it all together visually. And then I'm taking just some thin strips of florals that I cut up to line the lines in the order tracker, because I think it makes it look really cohesive and ties everything together, because until I start writing in that area, it's pretty blank. I also pulled in some of the birds. Those are from Panda Bird Design, and I thought they were a nice little foiled touch. And that completes my spread. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye.